A very good morning, dear children. I am Ratna Chatterjee from Study Hall Educational Foundation, and today we are going to start with NIOS Board Secondary Course English with lesson number 11, My Elder Brother, written by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer, famous Russian writer, and this story is an extract from his autobiographical novel Boyhood. And in this story, there are two main characters, Nicky and Volodya. Nicky is the younger brother and Volodya is the elder brother. Alright. So, now let's see what happened. Now, children, it's very common that we all do have a very good relationship with our siblings. Okay. We play together, we eat together, we enjoy together, we have quality time, but later on as we grow on, we realize that there is some difference between our personality. We all possess different personalities, therefore my sibling may be somewhat different than me. Alright, but sometimes what happens, because of this difference in our identities, in our personalities, some things may occur within any one of us that may spoil the relationship. Okay, this had what actually happened here with Nicky, and further, due to some incidents, they again came together and befriend. Okay. Now here what happened, that Nicky was the younger brother. Alright. And he enjoyed his childhood with his elder brother Volodya, who was only 1 year and a few months elder to him. When they were young, they used to play together, they used to eat together, they used to enjoy together, and they had a quality time. But later on, Nicky realized the difference in their age, in their taste and their interest. Alright? And he felt that due to this difference in their age, taste and their interests, their personalities are altogether different. They are not companions anymore. They are two different individuals now. Alright. And whenever Nicky was with Volodya, he used to feel himself to be worthless. Worthless because Volodya was far more superior. That is what Nicky used to think, that Volodya was far more superior to him in everything. In studies, in oratory skills, in manners, and he possesses a very, very good personality. That's what Nicky used to think. Alright. Therefore, whenever he was with Volodya, he felt that he was worthless. And then he was unhappy also. Because Volodya was elder one, so somehow he was presented with a tucked shirt. And whenever Volodya used to tuck in his shirt, set his collar to go out somewhere, Nicky used to think that he was doing everything just to show his superiority and to make Nicky feel that he is inferior. He was inferior to Volodya. Alright. Although in Volodya's mind there was nothing like that. Now Nicky was annoyed at Volodya also. Why he was annoyed? Because in his mind he used to think that Volodya, in spite of knowing everything, that whatever is going in his mind, in Nicky's mind regarding Volodya, that he was superior to him and he was better in all the aspects, Volodya never took the initiative to solve the issues, to resolve whatever is going on, and rather he tried to hide everything. That okay, that it doesn't make any difference to Volodya. It was going in Nicky's mind that Volodya used to think that nothing is wrong and everything is fine, although he knew everything. But that's not the case. Volodya never had such intention to hurt Nicky anyway. Okay. Then Nicky was confused also. After some time he used to think that no, it might be that Volodya is not like that. He never knew that whatever I am going through. Okay. Then he was lack of self-confidence also. Nicky felt that he was so young that he never had the chance or the choice to choose this hobbies. Okay, hobbies of collecting stamps, hobbies of collecting pictures or even drawing, hobbies of collecting ornaments, scent bottles, stamps, and many hobbies Valoda used to possess. Alright, so Nikki felt that since he had all the hobbies and he had made good choices about his hobbies, again Valodia is superior to him. Valodia was superior to him. Okay. So, and Valodia on the other hand, whenever they used to have a fight, Valodia always showed his large-heartedness and his generosity and tried to solve the matter. Alright. All this character and personality of Valodia in Nikki's eyes made him a superior being and Nikki himself an inferior person. Okay. So now what happened that when Valodia's this hobby of collecting ornaments was at its height, he used to decorate his table with all the ornaments of all made of glass and china and the scent bottles and everything. Okay. So one day by mistake, Nikki broke one of his empty scent bottle. Okay. When Valodia noticed this, he was very angry at Nikki. Okay, and while they were talking, and which rather became a quarrel within themselves, Valodia pulled Nikki towards him. While Valodia was pulling Nikki towards him, Nikki took hold of the leg of the table on which the decoration was made, and by mistake, all the ornaments, whatever was decorated over there on the table, had fallen down. At this, Valodia get more irritated, more annoyed at Nikki, and he said that from now on we will not talk. Okay, and he ordered him not to touch his things. Alright, but that afternoon only they had a history lesson together, they had to sit with their teacher, and after the teacher left, Valodia called Nikki. Once again, like that he used to do earlier also, as I have mentioned, that Valodia always showed his generosity. He called Nikki, and while Nikki was called, Nikki felt a deep press inside his chest, that something is pressing him inside, that he felt that why he has done all these things, why he was feeling so bad about Valodia, that he felt himself to be superior and doing all the things just to show Nikki inferior to him. It was not the case. He realized that and he could not stop himself. Tears rolled out of his eyes, and then again they befriend again, and they came together, and since then their relationship has become more and more beautiful. And that is why Nikki said at the end that whatever happens had happened because of something good, because without these incidents they would not have come together again. Alright, so this incident has made them friends again, and they are now closer to each other and they are living a happy life. Okay children, I think you have understood the chapter well. Go through the chapter again, do the questions, and all the best for your board exams.